Ciao my friends, welcome to my kitchen. This is where I teach you easy meals for everyday cooking. And if you are having guests over for the holidays, you're gonna love this recipe because you can actually make it the night before. And making it the night before is actually preferred because it'll soak up all those juices in the bread that we're gonna be using. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. So to start, we wanna get a large bowl, and I've got 4 eggs in here. I'm gonna put a half a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of ricotta cheese, and I'm just going to break that up just to get the egg yolks broken up and the ricotta cheese incorporated. Now I'm going to add 3 cups of milk. So to my custard mixture, I'm going to add about 6 ounces of bread that's cubed up. If you have leftover stuffing, you could actually use your leftover stuffing in this too, and it's got a lot of flavor, so that would be totally fine. So we just want to mix this up so it's going to start incorporating all the juice into the breadcrumbs. To that, I'm going to add, my gosh, my dog is going crazy today. I think he's super hungry. So to this, I'm going to add 1 bell pepper. I chose to do half a red and half a yellow. I also have some green onions that I've sliced. Now we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. I've also got some sausage that I've cooked up. You do need to cook it up ahead of time. We're going to add about a tablespoon of parsley, about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and then I'm going to add 2 cheeses. I have a Sharp Cheddar, and then I'm going to grate about 2 ounces of Mozzarella cheese in there as well. Now I'm going to set the mozzarella aside because we're going to use some more later on when it comes out of the oven. Okay, so now we want to get everything fully incorporated. Now we want either an 8x8 square or a smaller rectangle, and you want to butter it. And we are now going to add all this in here, and you just want to evenly spread it out. So now when we're ready to cook our strata, we want to cover it with foil, and we want to take it out of the refrigerator so it can kind of get to room temperature. Set your oven at 350 degrees, and for the time that it takes to your oven to preheat should be perfect timing that then we can go ahead and put this in the oven. We want to cook it covered for 25 minutes and then uncover it, and we can put some more cheese on top, and then we want to cook it for an additional 25 minutes uncovered, and I will show you how it looks like when it comes out. So you'll know when your strata is done is when you put your knife in and it comes out nice and clean. Then it's perfectly done. You do want to let this rest for about 10-15 minutes before you serve it. And you can see how beautiful it came out. And we're just going to cut a piece here. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. So you can see all that beautiful custard that is formed because of the bread. Gorgeous. I did put a little bit of cheese on top and a little bit of fresh parsley just to kind of give it a little bit more color and freshness. And your family is going to love this. What a great way to have breakfast. Just pop it in the oven and you don't even have to do anything. It was all done the night before. I hope you like this video. Go ahead and give it a like button, a comment if you'd like to share your experience with this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get more easy recipes like this. Until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.